Alright, so we're going to be making paleo-ish chocolate chip cookies. This is the recipe. It's 1 cup of almond butter. Make sure it's raw. 3/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 4 ounces of dark chocolate. I'll show you how it's easy to make it for a 2-year-old can make it. But here's some of the ingredients. We're going to have this raw almond butter, we have the baking soda and the vanilla, we have the coconut sugar here, and it's pretty easy to do. We just combine in here, we're going to mix it up, and the recipe is pretty easy. After that, we'll clip, I'll show you how a 2-year-old makes it, and then after you do that, you want to preheat the oven to 350. And you just check on it after 7 minutes and may be ready already after 7 minutes, and then they're ready to eat. Here's what they look like afterwards. They're ready to go. They're pretty good, actually. And that's it. Easy enough. And thank you.